The tide is turning for the parts washing industry. HFCs and HFEs are facing more restrictions, leaving manufacturers scrambling. With 3M ditching PFAS by 2025, manufacturers are forced to make a choice: to switch solvents, embrace aqueous cleaning, or invest in a new vacuum degreaser. This announcement has caused big suppliers to hoard HFEs, sending prices skyrocketing, leaving you to choose between these solvents and exposing you to future bans. While aqueous cleaning may be a viable solution, it's often plagued with drying challenges, material compatibility, and waste disposal problems. For a durable and future-proof solution, choose vacuum degreasing with modified alcohol. It's cost-effective, environmentally responsible, and excels in demanding cleaning tasks. So instead of surviving the HFE phase-out, choose to thrive in this ever-evolving landscape.